Hello, I'm Stormy Chamberlain, professor and researcher at the University of Connecticut. I'm also proud to serve as the chair of the Scientific Advisory Committee for the Angelman Syndrome Foundation. For more than 10 years, I've studied Angelman syndrome with passion and have seen the significant strides made by our research community. Our ultimate goal is to find a cure, of course, but it's also critical that we find ways to improve the daily lives of both children and adults with Angelman syndrome. And achieving both of these goals is not always as simple as they sound. Allow me to give you a quick example. The brains of children and fully grown adults with Angelman syndrome are very different from one another, largely because the brains of children are still developing. Finding treatments for a variety of different age groups will require different approaches, and therefore there are many different possibilities to study. And because of this wide spectrum, researchers always have many different types of studies in the pipeline so we don't waste any time finding treatments. It's also very important that we continue to do preclinical research so we can understand more about the disorder in order to ensure that future clinical trials and treatments are safe and as effective as possible. To date, the Angelman Syndrome Foundation has invested over $8 million in Angelman syndrome research, and many recipients of those grants have leveraged those dollars to apply for larger grants from organizations such as the NIH. The result is $20 million more dollars have been garnered for Angelman syndrome research that was possible because of ASF's initial funding. Research is not easy. It's challenging and complex. But you can help us achieve a cure and find more treatments by taking one simple step: registering for the 2017 ASF Walk today. Your participation in fundraising in the ASF Walk helps us as researchers secure the funding we need to move closer to our goal, effective treatments, as well as a cure for individuals with Angelman syndrome. Together as a team, we will get all of our families across the finish line. Register for the ASF Walk today by visiting www.angelman.org/walk. Thank you.